Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get your workspace URL in Slack. Now, your workspace URL is basically the direct address or direct link to your workspace. You can either give it to new members to join or do many more things with it. So in this video, I'll show you how to get the workspace URL. So it is very easy. At first, just go ahead and open up your Slack software or just go to the browser version of Slack. From there, just go and open up the workspace you want to get the URL for. I'm going to use the Clipboard workspace for this. Then just wait for it to load. You might have to click on Use Slack in your browser. Then just give it some time. And after the workspace loads properly, what you can do is come here to the name of the workspace and just click on the arrow button over here. It's going to introduce you to this menu. And from here, what you can do is just click on the workspace name. And you can see the workspace URL over here. But if you just click on the name, you're going to see the workspace name and the URL over here as well. Now you can just copy this URL and give it to anybody. This is basically the workspace URL you are looking for. And basically that is how to get the workspace URL of Slack. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.